Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert and format SmartArt graphic in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. SmartArt graphic is a visual representation of our information that we can quickly and easily create, choosing from among many different layouts to effectively communicate our ideas. Open Excel 2007, come to Insert menu, click on SmartArt in the illustration group. In the Choose a SmartArt graphic dialog box, we will get various SmartArt categories such as list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and pyramid. SmartArt graphic ranges from graphical list and process diagrams to more complex graphics such as Venn diagrams and organization charts. Click the type and select a layout that we want. Now we got a SmartArt graphic. Click in the shape and type the text. Also, we can copy the text from another program and paste it into the text pane. And when we select a SmartArt graphic, we will get Design and Format tabs in SmartArt Tools. Come to Design tab. To add additional shapes to SmartArt graphic, click the arrow next to Add Shape. We can add shapes after, before, above, and below this shape. And if you want to add a text bullet to our SmartArt graphic, click on Add Bullets. Now it is deactive for this layout, and you can find this option to some other SmartArt graphics. And if you want to switch the layout of SmartArt graphic between left to right and right to left, click on right to left option. Again, to change its position, click on same option. And if you want to change the branch layout for the selected shape, click on the arrow next to layout, and we can select standard both left hanging and right hanging. And if you want to increase the level of the selected bullet or shape, click on promote. Similarly, to decrease the level of the bullet or shape, click on demote. And after this, we can use text pane to quickly input and organize the text in the SmartArt graphic. And after this, we can change the layout applied to the SmartArt graphic. Come to layouts option, click on more. We will get various layouts. Just over the cursor on specific layout and it will show the preview. And if you want to change the color of the entire SmartArt graphic, click the arrow next to change colors, and over the cursor on various color schemes, we will get the preview. Select a color preference, and we can apply SmartArt Styles, which is the combination of various effects such as line style, bevel, or 3D that we can apply to the shapes in our SmartArt graphic to create a unique and professionally designed look. Over the cursor on various styles, and we will get the preview. Select a SmartArt style, and after this, if you want to discard all of the formatting changes made to the SmartArt graphic, click on reset graphic option. Then it will come into the default SmartArt layout. After this, come to format tab. If you want to change the shape of the drawing preserving all the formatting, click the arrow next to change shape and select the shape from various options. Also, we can increase and decrease the size of the selected shape. Further, click on larger. And to decrease the size of the shape, click on smaller. If you want to choose a different visual style for the shape, come to shape styles, click on more option. Over the cursor on various shape styles, and we will get the preview. And if you want to fill the selected shape with a solid color, gradient, picture, or texture, click the arrow next to shape fill, and we can apply theme colors and standard colors. Also, we can apply gradient and texture options. And if you want to insert the picture, click on picture option. Select the picture, click on insert. And to specify the color, width, and line style for the outline of the selected shape, click the arrow next to shape outline, and over the cursor on theme colors and standard colors, we will get the preview. Come to line weight, select a option for line weight. And after this, if you want to apply shape effects, click the arrow. We will get various options: preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D rotation. After this, come to word art style, click on more option. Over the cursor on specific word art style, and we will get the preview. If you want to apply dot for all text, select these colors. Similarly, we can apply text fill, outline, and text effects, and come to arrange group. Click on arrow next to rotate. We can rotate right 90 degrees. We can rotate left 90 degrees, and also we can apply flip vertical and flip horizontal. We can apply the formatting options to physics or complete SmartArt graphic. After this, if you want to increase the height and width of SmartArt graphic, use up and down arrow keys. Like this, we can insert and format SmartArt graphic in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.